So welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Today I got a couple new devices that's going to be on the market here in the next couple months. So yesterday I released a video just showing you guys the new Amazon devices that included two new Fire Sticks, new Echo, and they're all new design. The Fire Stick Lite is also real, and you guys check that video out and let me know your thoughts on those new devices. Ring has also announced some new devices on the market, and some of these devices are pretty cool. So in this video, quick peek at some of the devices that Ring has coming out soon. Drop your comments and thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know if these products are something you'd be interested in. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streamer reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell. Make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. So the first one, and this is probably what prompted me to do this video, is the next level indoor security camera. So this is unlike any camera you've ever seen before, guys. So this is essentially a drone that sits on a base inside your house, and from there you can pre-program it to go to certain places. There is someone, let's say open a door or something, you can have it fly automatically to that door, take some video, and it live stream that video back to your cell phone. So this is one of those things where I'm kind of on the fence. I don't know if it's useful or something that's kind of gimmicky. I feel like it's probably better to just get a camera placed somewhere in your house. That way you can focus on those entrances. But this is something I am definitely interested in, if anything, just to test it out. So Ring did mention that they built this with privacy in mind. So because it's sitting in your house, so when it actually docks, the camera will be hidden. That way you can't accuse them of spying on you while you're in your house. Now if you look at the device itself, it does have bumpers, so the props are not going to be exposed. So if you have pets, or if you don't want it to run into a fan or something like that, the props are pretty much going to be guarded. So not a lot of details on this. We don't know the battery life. The quality is going to be 1080p, but we'll get more details as this comes up. So you can see right here on the Ring website, you can go ahead and sign up, and that way you can be one of the first ones in line to grab this device. So like I said, this is one of those things where it can either be gimmicky or it can be pretty cool. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. So the next device to be released is the Ring car alarm, and just looking at this device, it looks like it plugs into your OBD2 sensor in your car. So you can see the back of it a little bit, and it looks like it's going to plug in that port. And on the front you can see there is a little button, and that's basically it. So what this does is it adds security to your car. So with the Ring car alarm, your vehicle senses bumps, brakes, towaways, and more. So you'll get the alert, of course, on your mobile device, your cell phone, through the Ring app, and that way you can kind of see what's going on with your vehicle. Let me know again if this is something that you might be interested in. Concern about this is that, is it going to be using your power while it's in standby mode? Is there a built-in battery to kind of monitor it while the vehicle is running? So this is something we'll all get more details on. You can see it pairs with the Ring app, has the GPS built in. So if the car is stolen, you can kind of see what's going on with it. Once again, this is another product that is available for pre-order. So the next device is called the Ring Car Connect, and this allows Ring to actually tap into your vehicle's cameras to kind of monitor what's going on. So if you have this device and something happens to your vehicle, it will activate the built-in cameras in your vehicle and stream that video right to your mobile device. So this allows you to tap into your car's built-in camera to get alerts, watch a recorded video in the Ring application. The first compatible cars are the Tesla Models 3, S, X, and Y. So right now it looks like it's only available for Tesla cars, so hopefully they'll expand that. So watch Tesla's Sentry mode and recorded driving video over Wi-Fi from anywhere on an optional LTE plan. So stream it to your phone. Like I said, this one is more for the Tesla model, so this is something we'll look out for as the compatibility expands to other vehicles. All right, so the next one is going to be the Ring car alarm, and again, a lot built into these vehicles. Look like Ring is trying to stretch out a little bit, get into your vehicles, which is not such a bad thing, because if you think about it, if you use Ring in your home and you can kind of get into everything with one application, why not monitor your vehicle just to have everything in one location? So this protects your car 24/7. 2 HD cameras actively detect and record bumps, break-ins, and more. So get real-time alerts, check it with your live views, see your location, and activate the siren in your Ring app over Wi-Fi from anywhere with an optional LTE plan. So this looks like it's going to be a 2-camera setup. From the picture, it looked like the camera's facing backwards, but I wonder if there's an option to actually flip that around, the view behind the vehicle and in front of the vehicle, or is it just designed to view inside the vehicle? So that's something, again, we'll get more details on as the release date comes up. So the last one on our list today is the Ring mailbox sensor. So this is one I don't know how I feel about. I feel like this is useful, and just like it says, it sits in your mailbox. When your letter carrier comes in, open your mailbox, you'll get an alert on your phone. That way you'll know when your mail has arrived. So maybe pretty cool, maybe kind of gimmicky, but if you're someone who either had issues with mail walking away, or expecting packages, don't want to lose it, or just want to know when your mail has arrived, this might be a good option. So with this, you'll know when your mail arrives, or when anyone opens your mailbox. You'll receive a real-time notification in your Ring app or via a connected Alexa enabled device. Plus, you can pair this with your Ring smart lighting, doorbells, and cams to turn on and start recording whenever your mailbox is open. So that's pretty cool, actually. So if you think about it, if you have a Ring cam outside your house and it's facing towards your mailbox, you can have that camera automatically start recording once the mailbox is open. So that's actually pretty cool. Again, all of these orders are either available for pre-order, or you can go ahead and sign up to be notified. So that's it for Ring's new lineup that's coming down the pipeline pretty soon. So let me know what you guys think of these new devices. Which ones are gimmicky, which one seems pretty cool, which one you don't really care about, and which ones you think is gonna mean the world. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell. Make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway.